Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing some easy to make travel food ideas, what you can prepare for some short trips and picnics and all. First one is a breakfast recipe, Paneer Kathirolls. Here I have 2.5 cup of wheat flour, adding some salt, sprinkling water little by little and preparing the dough for chapati, which will be the base for Kathirol. Usually I prepare the dough at night itself and refrigerate it so that I can save a lot of time in the morning. Refrigerate it by covering with a butter paper so that this will not become too hard. To prepare filling for the kathi roll, I am taking 2 cups of paneer cubes, adding 2 teaspoons of tandoori chicken masala. You can even use chicken tikka masala, 2 tablespoons of curds and some salt. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. Finally chopping half piece of onion. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Sauteing finely chopped onions. Adding marinated paneer cubes. Allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Stuffing is ready. Keeping this aside. Rolling out chapati. Cook it well by drizzling some ghee. Cook both sides well. Chapati is ready. Let's start assembling. Spreading some green chutney. On the top of this, cooked paneer cubes. Some sliced onions. Some chaat masala for added flavor. Roll it up and cover the bottom portion with an aluminium foil so that filling will not come outside. Next one is a snack, popcorn. It is very simple to make and healthy as well. For making this we need 1/4 cup of popcorn seed. Pan is hot enough, adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. Half teaspoon of salt. Now this is the right time to add popcorn seeds. Gently mix it. Immediately cover this with a lid because this will start to pop up easily, and if you do not cover the pan with the lid, it will spread all over the kitchen and kitchen will be a mess. You can see here popcorns are forming. Keep the flame in medium and allow this to cook. Once you feel that the popping sound reduced, you can switch off the flame and allow this to cool. This is a low-calorie, healthy snack what you can prepare at home. Next one is a rice variety, Puliyogare. Before preparing Puliyogare, I am going to show you how to make ready-made Puliyogare powder at home. So let's begin. The ingredients are 1 medium-sized tamarind, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. You can even use black sesame seeds. 2.5 tablespoons of chana dal. 2 tablespoons of urad dal. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. Half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Half teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Dry red chilies 4 to 5 pieces. 6 pieces of Kashmiri dry red chili and some curry leaves. First I am going to dry roast all the ingredients separately because cooking time is different for each one. So if we put together, there are chances that it may get burnt. Adding mustard seeds and dry roast it until it splutters. Roasting chana dal, urad dal. Urad dal turns slightly brown. Adding white sesame seeds, cumin seeds until it crackles. Adding tamarind and just fry this for 30 seconds in low flame. Let it cool down. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Oil what I am using here is coconut oil. Adding coriander seeds and peppercorns, roasting it for a while. Adding dry red chilies and sauteing it well. And some curry leaves. Finally some asafoetida and fenugreek powder. Mix well. Once it cools down, using a grinder, grind it and make a coarse powder of puliyogare. Before grinding, I am adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery. So homemade puliyogare powder is ready. Now I am going to make puliyogare using this ready-made puliyogare powder. So let's begin. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Roasting 2 tablespoons of peanuts along with some curry leaves. Adding 4 tablespoons of puliyogare powder and mix it nicely. Adding 4 cups of cooked rice. Gently mix it. Salt as per taste. Just to combine everything, drizzle some water. Puliyogare is ready to serve. If you are a person who loves to eat some sweet or dessert after your meal, I have a recipe for you. Fruit chaat. We need 1 chopped apple, half a cup of grapes, 1 full pomegranate, 1 green apple chopped, half a cup of chopped pineapple, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, some crushed pepper for mild spiciness, 1 tablespoon of dates and tamarind chutney for extra sweet and sour flavor. Finally some mint leaves and mix well. Chaat masala has enough salt in it, so I am not adding extra salt. This is one of my personal favorites. So hope you liked today's video. Wish you a very happy new year to all my viewers and subscribers. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.